Hey everyone, this is John Pearson from 60secondrevit.com. I wanted to do a quick video to show a cool new feature in the latest daily build for Dynamo. So what we'll do is I'll actually get a website open. So Dynamo has two versions that are published kind of simultaneously. So at the top we'll have stable builds. So these are what are considered ready for release to the public. And on the bottom are daily builds. This is dynamobuilds.com. So this is a website people don't know sometimes. If you want to check out new features, this is kind of the bleeding edge right here. And we can see that there's one posted today. So we'll go ahead and close this. So I have that installed, and I want to show a new feature that I'm really excited about because I used to use it previous to this update, and it was a little more difficult to use actually. So first of all, here's Dynamo. If we look at the About button, we'll see that we have 2.0, and we have a new look over here on the side. I invite everyone to check this out and look at it, but for now we want to look at this dictionary portion. So what a dictionary is it relates data to each other. Within Dynamo, there were other ways to do this. Lunchbox had nodes that did this as well, and I think Spring Nodes has nodes that do a dictionary, but now it will be out of the box, which is really cool. One thing that I think is really neat, so like, let's say we want to grab rooms by their number. So what we need to do is we need to collect all the rooms first. And this search seems a little faster too. In my case, I'm going to use a new node from Rhythm, which combines the model categories into a selection. So if I were to go rooms, I right away collected all of my room elements. So I don't need the all elements of category node with this one, which is pretty sweet. What we want to do is we want to build a dictionary. So this little plus sign is indicating that we can create something. So we have a few things here, keys and values. So a key would be the data that you want to use. That would be a string. So in our case, a room number is a string, and the values would be whatever thing you're going to relate it to. So that would be our rooms. In our case, we're going to, there might be a room.number node. We're going to obtain the room number, just like that. So now I'm going to be able to look up rooms by their number, which is really sweet. I actually showed this at AU 2017, but it was using the old method. So now, if we hover, I can see that I have 114 now, room, 115 room. So room's just the element, but these are the keys that I use instead of the index, the indices. That's pretty awesome. So that's kind of a new feature as well. So let's say we wanted to get that room by that key. So what we would do is use a dictionary to dictionary. So dictionary value at key. If I double click, I type 101, we should be able to expect it to retrieve the room element by its key. So if I were to go like room 205, it's automatically looking that up for me. Really awesome way to associate data that might not necessarily be able to be associated otherwise. So I'm really excited for this workflow and these nodes. There's more in here as well that we won't go through, but that's kind of an overview of dictionaries and some of the new nodes we have. Additionally, if I were to type in a key that doesn't exist, so like 999, it will tell me that there is no key for that. So it does have error checking as well, which is also really sweet. So if you're interested in that, download the latest daily build and check it out, and stay tuned for more of the cool nodes as well. Thanks.